Ladies and gentlemen, today marks the official opening of the NSG 2023. The flags of our primary schools, secondary schools, and tertiary institutions have been placed around the hall to signify their participation and support for the Games.
We are pleased to have two student representatives to lead us in the Athlete's Oath.
Presenting Jade Estanislao Ong Yuting and Rishon To Zen Si.
All student athletes, please raise your right hand and recite the oath with me. In the name of all competitors, we promise that we shall take part in these National School Games, respecting and abiding by the rules which govern them, committing ourselves to the true spirit of sportsmanship, without doping and without drugs, for the glory of sport and honor of our teams.
Now, we would like to invite one of the NSG coaches, Ms. Asma Hanim, to represent all coaches to take the coach's oath.
In the name of all coaches, we promise to respect all athletes, officials, and coaches in these National School Games. We will act in the best interests of the athletes and schools without doping and without drugs. We will commit ourselves to ensure that the spirit of sportsmanship and fair play is fully adhered to and upheld always.
We would like to invite Mr. Swin Surya Rosario to represent all officials in reciting the official's oath.
In the name of all the judges and officials, we promise that we shall officiate in these National School Games with complete impartiality, without doping and without drugs. We will respect and abide by the rules which govern the Games in the true spirit of sportsmanship.
Let's put our clappers together to welcome the entry of the NSG Flame.
Two torchbearers for this year are Jaden Wee from Temasek Primary School and Ashley Lei Mi Xuan from Anglo-Chinese School, Independent. We shall now invite our minister, Mr. Chan, and the citizens of both councils, Mr. Wilbur Wong and Mr. Justin Pierre, to join Jaden and Ashley in the lighting of the National School Games flame.